Viagra. Everyone knows what Viagra is. Helps with erectile dysfunction, right? If you use Viagra for years in place of natural nitric oxide and improving that pressure in your body, if you just use Viagra, your body doesn't improve erectile dysfunction. You don't down the line suddenly not need Viagra anymore, because the body is using something in place of what it used to produce to get that outcome. Same thing with peptides. A lot of people don't realize that things like Trizepi and Reta 2, whatever, these peptides are going to help you burn fat and reach your goal. But guess what's going to happen the moment you get off of them? The same thing that happens to professional bodybuilders. Your body's going to rebound right back to baseline. Your ghrelin hunger is going to shoot through the roof. The systems that were in place for that fat loss are now working less efficiently because they're thinking and asking, where's the Reta? We want more of the Reta. We don't want to use our own energy systems to deal with all of this. And when you don't provide those peptides anymore, the body's going to go right back to baseline. Using something that you have to continue using or you lose what you've gained. That's the difference. When you train naturally, you keep that shit. These biceps, I'm gonna die with these things. I'm gonna grow 90 years old with my calves and my biceps and the muscles that I've developed because my body maintains that naturally. It doesn't need some type of side chemical compound from China to reach that goal. The other thing is, everyone's speaking as if there's decades of long-term research of what peptides does to the human body. Peptides are a brand new taboo in America, and sure, they've been around for a few years in China and other places around the world. That doesn't mean they were ever available for the public. This is a experimental compound. People are using this shit for rats, but they're injecting it into themselves when it's supposed to be used for rats and experiments to see the outcome. There's not enough research to tell if this shit is going to destroy a lot of people's lives. But what I will tell you is that your body is not getting better at growing muscle and burning fat using these type of products. The same way Viagra doesn't help you suddenly not have erectile dysfunction anymore once you get off of it. It's something you have to maintain when you're using these products. Hopefully this works. Stay natty, and I'll see you on the next video.